Welcome to episode number 32 here on season 2. And today we are getting into Patriots versus Eagles. Who will win? First of all, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to be taken as financial advice. If you decide to bet on the game, then congratulations if you win. If don't, sorry. I guess that's the risk that's involved with taking bets. Go ahead and get into it. So this is probably, honestly, the most American American Super Bowl game we've ever seen. I mean, come on, we've got the Patriots versus the Eagles. The only way that this could get like more American is by adding the bald Eagles. So it would be like the Patriots versus the bald Eagles. But unfortunately, the Eagles are not all bald. People, I mean, I've been watching a lot of videos. People are always talking about what is the X factor in regards to the game. A lot of people are talking about, you know, Tom Brady being the X factor, Bill Belichick, or even like gronkowski being the X factor. However, I used statistical analysis to help me decide what two people are the X factors. Basically able to narrow it down to two. And the first is a person by the name of Steve Bellichk. I mean, come on, the coach, the safeties coach. Like, I mean, it's not so much about the skills that Steve actually brings to the table in regards to his coaching style and strategy, but more in the idea of like, I mean, you got to ask yourself, what's worse than one Belichick? The answer's two. Two Belichicks against you equals a loss, hands down. Factor number one. Factor number two is a guy by the name of Ryan Allen. I mean, nothing says X factor like a fresh haircut like Ryan has, you know? My only one recommendation for Allen would be to touch up the beard, because I can tell you what, you're going to play an important role in scoring the game-winning touchdown, even though you're a punter. I'm not biased when it comes to the game and prediction on the actual game. I've just been a Tom Brady, Bill Belichick fan ever since the combination emerged. So I'm here to say that the Patriots will win without a shadow of a doubt. And I know this because the only team that can squash the Patriots in the Super Bowl is the Giants, and more specifically, actually Eli Manning. And if you're looking for anybody to squish the Patriots' dreams of ever winning a Super Bowl, you got to look to either Peyton Manning or Eli Manning to squish those dreams. And unfortunately, they haven't been met with either. So the Patriots, here's to you winning 6.
Congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
So I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. No question of the day-to-day. However, I will say this. If the Patriots do pull out a win, which they will, I will buy a Tom Brady head and stick it on the background for the rest of the season. However, if the Patriots do lose, unfortunately, God willing they do not lose, I will purchase a Nick Foles head and put it on the background. And so you'll either get a Tom Brady right there or a Nick Foles. However, we'll decide that after the outcome of the game. Let's go ahead and wrap it up right there. If you have any questions regarding business, Etsy, coaching, as well as Stash, Acorns, and Robinhood, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out my Robinhood recap, the January edition. Check out that video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.